everyone! Say goodbye to your basic boring English and learn some advanced phrases to sound fluently just like a native speakers. Hurry up! Chop chop! Let's meet today. Let's catch up today. Stop wasting time. Stop fuffing around. I'm hungry. I'm starving. I'm very happy. I'm over the moon. Don't lose your temper. Keep your shut on. I'm taking a bath. I'm having a shower. It's not finished. It's not over. Be happy. Cheer up. Text me when you get free. Hit me when you get free. Let's start. Let's get going. Time passes quickly. Time flies. Behave properly. Behave yourself. Sing with me. Sing along. You can take by yourself. Help yourself. Bye-bye. Take care.